So there are a lot of ways to make fries, but I made these fries my favorite way, healthy vegan style, using no oil and no refined wheat. I even made some yogurt dill sauce and some cherry ketchup for dipping them. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, so the ingredients you see here are what we're going to use to make these seasoned breaded fries. And then after we make our fries, we're going to make a delicious dill yogurt sauce for dipping. All right, so we're going to use an eggplant that I have here. We're going to use some almond flour, some white sesame seeds, some ground flax, some oat flour, some oregano, some smoked paprika, some black pepper, some garlic, and then some plant milk. I'm using walnut milk, but you could use cashew milk or whatever type of milk you prefer. It's as simple as that. Let's put it together.
Okay, so the first step is really simple. Just going to peel my eggplant and cut them into fries that are about an inch thick.
All right, so now I have everything ready here so that I can get my seasonings mixed up. And after we get our seasonings mixed up, we're going to get our fries dipped, breaded, and then onto the pan.
Okay, so the first step is to combine the almond flour, the sesame seeds with different seasonings and then get that mixed up and set aside. Now next, I'm making my wet mixture by combining the plant milk and the ground flax and setting that aside. And then finally, I'm just adding the oat flour to the plate. So now the first step in breading these is getting the pieces of eggplant into the oat flour and coating them lightly. Then I'm going to add them to the wet mixture and coat them well. And then lastly, into the seasoned mixture and then onto the pan.
Okay, and just like that, I've got them all breaded. I've got a few left over that I'll bread later. But for now, we're going to get these in the oven and then make our delicious dill yogurt sauce. All right, so this is pretty simple and straightforward. To make this delicious dill yogurt sauce, I'm going to use some soaked cashews, some lemon juice, a date, a couple of cloves of garlic, but I'm going to start by chopping some dill to go with this.
Okay, so now I'm going to start by finely chopping the fresh dill. Then in a blender, I'm going to combine all of the other ingredients and blend until it's completely smooth. Then it's time to transfer into a bowl, add the dill, and give it a mix. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
All right, and here we have it. Our delicious looking fries. I can't wait to try them. I've got my yogurt dill sauce, and I just happen to have some of my cherry ketchup on hand, so I added some of that too. I'll put this recipe in the description so you can make either one of these delicious sauces to go with these fries. Now let's have a taste. For you, of course.
So I did want to mention that even though I made a couple of sauces here, if you're someone who prefers plain fries, these fries are delicious on their own also.
Wow. Both good. Cherry ketchup is probably the winner, but you can't go wrong with the dill yogurt either. Make either one, make both. You'll love them. Alright, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.